We're going to align this trailer because yes, trailers have to be also aligned. Well, as you can see, this trailer, has super single tires. You can see a little bit of uneven tire wear on the edges. We inspect the bushings, we check the wheel bearings, everything look good. So I'm suspecting these tires are being run with a little bit lower pressure than they need to. But however, we're gonna align it. And I'm gonna show you some of the measurements that you should check when aligning a trailer. And I love our chiropractic machine because compensation is made very simple. You don't have to get the trailer out of the truck. I mean, you can do it all together. That saves you a lot of time, probably like 30 minutes. And we make it very simple. And in a few seconds, we're gonna have measurements. So you can see it's showing us a little bit of misalignment on both axles. It's not really that much, but it's very important for me to inspect not only the thrust angle. A lot of aligners means checking your toe and your camber. So you can see this is the front axle. Camber is perfect. The toe, it's very close to zero, actually very good. These red ones I won't care because this is individual toe. The axle is fixed, so we cannot really just move the toe like in the cars. So in this particular case, camber and toe is okay. We're just gonna fix thrust and scrub angle. Let's check the rear axle. Camber perfect, toe also perfect, and just fix the thrust angle. And this trailer should be okay. What I wanted to show you is that this machine also shows us toe and camber. I know you cannot fix it, but at least you gotta check it because we have had several trailers, actually several trucks that in the drive axles, we have problems with toe or camber. Of course, you have uneven tire wear and customers are always just trying to align, but people do not check these. And a lot of times the problem could be all the way from the back. So we're gonna fix those thrust axles, angles on the axles, and that should be ready to go. So Jerry's helping us with this. We're gonna turn this washer, and that's gonna move the axle back or forth. So if we fix the rear axle, we're gonna try to align a little bit more this one. It's too tight, so we come and check the measurements. As you can see, thrust, scrub angle are okay. The camber, the toe, they seem to be cleaner. Everything green. I would recommend you to also check your trailer, especially if you're always pulling the same trailer. It's important to also align the trailer because a lot of the problem with uneven tire wear on the drive axles and even on your steer axles are caused by misalignment on your trailer. Very recommendable to align your trailer every 6 months just to make sure everything is fine. And as you know, we align trailers over here in Houston, and also we are already open in Dallas. So we are Monday to Saturday here in Houston, Monday to Friday to start in Dallas. We're going to expand our schedule, our hours. But the most important thing is that we have the best technology to align your trailer and to help you save on tires, to reduce your vibrations, and to reduce the stress that you have because the numbers are not there. You're not making the money that you should. So if you want to align your trailer, you want to inspect it, remember, truck trailer dancing over here at the shop is always free. We always inspect it for free. We're going to inspect bearings, we're going to inspect the wheel seats, we're going to inspect brakes, but we're going to inspect the condition of your suspension with the latest technology so we can really make sure that the only thing that you need is an alignment like in this case. Remember, subscribe, like it, do whatever you want with this video. Metal never lie.